Hey guys, Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friend. So listen, I get a lot of questions on how to cook beef jerky in the oven to a safe temperature that's safe for your family, guys. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. All right, so I got some great teriyaki, honey teriyaki beef jerky here, my friends. And I'm going to start lining this up on the trays for you, okay? So I got my catch tray underneath here. If you don't have catch trays like this, what you want to do is put a cookie sheet at the bottom of your oven so it catches all the drippings, guys. That's so important not to make a big mess. As a matter of fact, under that, you might even want to put some tin foil underneath that cookie tray. Okay, guys? So I'm going to start lining my beef jerky up on the trays, my friends. And what you want to make sure to do is not to have the beef jerky touching, guys. It's so important that you don't have this beef jerky touching. We're going to line this up here. And this here is about 2.5 pounds, guys, of a nice honey teriyaki beef jerky. I'm going to try to do this pretty fast here for you, my friends, so they don't have you waiting a long time here, guys. So this is how we do it here at the Fat Yankee. We got our nice black Angus beef, guys. Oh, this stuff is going to be good. This stuff is going to be delicious, okay? So we're almost done with our first tray here, as you see. So what I want to do is when I'm lining up these trays, so when I put this in the oven, I want to bring this up to a safe temperature, as I mentioned. I want to bring this up to 160 degrees or above, okay? So when I bring this to the oven, you're going to notice I'm going to put my temperature gauge in it, and we're going to wait till this comes to 160 degrees or above. I've got my oven set to 375, guys. It's already preheated. So we're just going to finish up lining this jerky up. Alright, like that. Alright. Going to line this up. The oven is set to 375. And we're going to stick the probe in the jerky that I've placed in the front, one of the thicker pieces that I have. I'm going to bring this up to 160 or above. Okay, and then after that, we're going to lower the temperature of the oven after it reaches 160 degrees or above, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that. Almost done here, guys. Stick with me, don't fall asleep on me, alright? So this is what we do here, guys. This is the process. This is how we do it. This is a very simple, clean, and neat process. Look at all this nice jerky I've got here. None of it touching. Almost done. Here we go. Alright. Okay, guys. Just a couple small pieces here. There we are. One more. Alright. Okay, guys. That's it. This is what we got. All the beef jerky lined up here, my friends. Let me wash my hands. I'm going to take this over to the oven now. Clean that up nice and neat. Everything nice and neat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this to the oven. I've got my oven at 375. I'm going to stick my probe in. So come on over. Alright. There we go. And now remember, guys, if you don't have these catch trays, you're going to put a nice cookie sheet at the bottom of the oven just like this. Put some tin foil underneath it. Alright, so I got my probe here with my all-clad thermometer. I'm going to stick this in to the thick piece of jerky that I placed at the bottom. Alright, so now I'm going to shut this door, my friends. I'm going to wait till this beeps to 160 degrees.